A traditional IT center has basic components. The chillers and waterside economizers, also known as free cooling fans for its pre-cooling needs. Cool water flows into the center via the blue lines. Warm water is returned via the red lines. Look closely at the two most common cooling installations: Bayed suite cooling, cooling the whole room, and rack cooling, cooling units directly inside the racks. Room cooling is ideal for installations with smaller heat loads and low levels of heat loss. Computer room air conditioners are inside the IT center and have their own cool water and warm water lines. Cold air is fed beneath the raised floor and up into the room through vents in front of the server enclosures. Perforated doors allow the cool air to flow into the front of the racks and over the components inside. Warm air exits the back of the enclosure and is drawn back into the room air conditioners, where it is chilled again and recirculated. Even with this basic array, you can enhance the efficiency and performance when you contain the air within a row of enclosures. Separating hot from cold air boosts efficiency. Cold air stays in front, warm air stays in back, and they don't mix anywhere in the room. Bayed suite cooling is the next step for rooms with more heat loss. Enclosures are connected with Rittal LCP units added to the system. The LCP units take up just 12 inches of floor space, so they can easily be fit into a data center floor plan. Using the LCP inline configuration shown here, cooling can be aimed directly to the rack level. Cool air is forced into the aisle by 6 high-efficiency internal fans, and it enters the enclosures through perforated doors. After flowing over the components, the heated air flows out of the enclosure's perforated rear doors and back through the LCP's perforated rear doors. The fans recirculate the air through the air-to-water heat exchanger. Again, adding complete containment guarantees more consistent cooling. Rack cooling is for the most extreme conditions of heat loss. Again, LCP units are mated to the server enclosures, this time using a totally contained closed-loop design. Here, cold air is forced out by the 6 internal fans and flows across the servers. Warm air exits the racks in the rear. A significant difference here is the use of solid doors that trap the air inside the enclosure. The closed-loop design provides total control. Whatever your needs, Rittal has a cost-efficient solution.